I'm John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, your host for the Pistol Pack and Porter News Network. Today we have our weather report with our anchorman and weatherman, Pistol Pack and Porter.
Thank you, John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Brr, is it cold outside? As you can see, there are cumulonimbus clouds. Did you show it? Okay, good. Today, Friday, there is 90% chance of rain showers, and it is 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight there is 31. It is 31 degrees Fahrenheit, and rain/snow. And tomorrow, afternoon, sun in the morning. Tomorrow, there is going to be cloudy skies in the afternoon. Sun, there is 10% chance of sun.
Thank you, Pistol Pack and Porter, for that riveting weather report. And now we're going to go on location where the site of a death-defying and harrowing experience occurred. And Pistol Pack and Porter will tell you more about that. Porter.
Thank you again, John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Today we interviewed my uncle that lived a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. The way he got there is he built a UFO and flew to Earth. So the question that I said is, how old were you when you fell in cactus? He said about my age, 7. And another one is, how did you fall into cactus? And that was very, very exciting. The funniest part of the interview. So he was walking down this hill. He was walking down about here, and then there's cactus right here. He flipped. He didn't fly over it like I did. He did this. Boing, boing. And cactus went right into his butt. How he got it out will be tomorrow after we interview his mom. And that is all of it today. Bye.